All right, and in more breaking news coming in, DK Shivakumar supporters pray at the Ayyappa temple in Mysuru for him to become chief minister now. Devotees, including Ayyappa devotees carrying the ceremonial Maladhara offerings, performed rituals. They've offered prayers, and this is for him to become the chief minister. All of this in the backdrop of rife speculation over the power tussle in Karnataka. For more on this, we also have Afreen live with us. Afreen, of course, now his supporters are offering prayers for him to become the chief minister. They are denying any sort of infighting. They're saying that there's no power tussle. What is really going on?
Well, absolutely. There is growing cheer amongst DK Shivkumar's supporters, be it, his camp MLAs or even others who support him in the state to become the chief minister. They've been, constantly backing him to become the next chief minister of Karnataka. Meanwhile, DK Shivkumar has clearly said that, he wishes Siddaramaiah all the best and he wishes that, he finishes 5 years as chief minister and he's going to work along with him. He has clearly denied infighting in the party, whereas Siddaramaiah, on the other hand, has reiterated multiple times now that he's going to remain the chief minister for the, full 5-year term in Karnataka. We also saw AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that, if there is no issue, why is this issue being created and brought to the surface? And he's not going to comment about it or anything. So clearly, the top brass of the Karnataka Congress are denying that there is any infighting going on. But we saw that, supporters of DK Shivkumar and MLA Iqbal Hussain had said that he is going to go to Delhi along with a few others to talk to the High Command and, to back DK Shivkumar as the chief minister. So we see that on one hand, where there is growing cheer for, DK Shivkumar to be made the next chief minister, the top brass of the Karnataka Congress are denying any of this issue and are denying that there is infighting in the party.
Right, absolutely. Do stay on with us, Afreen. Of course, we are getting more information as well amid this power tussle over the chief minister's post.